Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A very good morning to all of you. On behalf of our management and staff, I welcome you all to the standard 10th, and we all hope from the day one you will be involving yourself in your studies, because your exams are going to be very tough, and with full preparation we all teachers hope, even management also, that you will be writing your SSLC board exam which commence in the month of March April 2021. So dear students, in mathematics the first topic is arithmetic progression. In short, it is called AP. So let us start the first topic. Before knowing what is arithmetic progression, let us focus a few of the introductory points, and the first introductory part is sequence. So what is sequence? See, I am writing two sets here. The first set A is 1 3 5 4 2, and the second set is set B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Same numbers I have taken, the elements of sets are same, but if you compare these two sets, you will come to know that in first set the numbers are not written by following any important rule, okay. But if we consider the second set, these numbers are written by following certain definite rule. So such set is called sequence. So what is a sequence? How will you define? A sequence is a set of numbers written according to some definite rule. If the number of sets is written by following certain rule, that set is said to be a sequence, okay. For example, two examples are taken, 1 2 3 4 5. Second example, 5 10 15 20, so on. So if you compare these two examples of sequence, in the first example, after 5 no number is written. The process of writing the numbers is stopped at 5. But in case of second example, after 20 the number so on is put, that is the numbers, more and more number of numbers are there. So in this way, by comparing these two examples, we come to know there are two types of sequences. First one is a finite sequence, second one is an infinite sequence. So what is finite sequence? Finite sequence is a sequence where the number of terms is finite, okay. For example, 1 2 3 4. Second example, 15 17 19 21, so on. And one more number is there, 39. After 39, the process of writing the sequence is stopped. So it means that this is also a type of one of the examples of finite sequence. Now what is the standard or general form of finite sequence? The general or standard form of finite sequence is T1, T2, T3, so on, Tn, or A1, A2, A3, so on, An. So this is the standard form of finite sequence. Now coming to the second type of sequence, that is infinite sequence. So what is an infinite sequence? An infinite sequence is a sequence where the number of terms is infinite, okay. For example, the example 1 is 10 20 30, so on. Example number 2 is 7 9 11 13, so on, okay. These two are the examples of infinite sequence, and the general or the standard form of an infinite sequence is T1, T2, T3, so on, or A1, A2, A3, so on. So these two are the types of sequence. A sequence is a set of numbers written according to some definite rule. Two types of sequences. One is finite, where the number of terms is finite. Infinite sequence, where the number of terms is infinite. The standard or general form t1, t2, t3, so on, tn, where t1 first term, t2 second term, t3 third term. If I write tn, this will be 10th term. If I write a15, this will be 15th term. Okay, and tn is called nth term or last term of the sequence. Now, what is the general or standard form of an infinite sequence? t1, t2, t3, so on, continuation. So many numbers are there, so many terms are there which cannot be countable. So this is about the first introductory part of arithmetic sequence, arithmetic progression, that is called sequence. So the next part will be what you call series. The next introductory part is series. We shall see what is series and what is arithmetic progression, what is the series, what are its types, what is arithmetic progression, and what are the important formulae of arithmetic progression on which we are going to solve few of the examples in our next video. Thank you. So dear students, the next introductory part in arithmetic progression is series. So what is series? See, if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this you know that it is an example of a sequence. So instead of putting comma in between two consecutive numbers, if you put plus sign, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, then this sort of expression, algebraic expression, becomes a series. Okay, now what is the series? The addition form of the terms of sequence is called a series. So in place of comma, if you put plus sign, that sequence will be converted into series. So for example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, first example. Second example, 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus so on. Again, if you compare these two examples, the first example is an example of finite series, because the number of terms are finite here, and the second example is an example of infinite series, because the number of terms are many in number. So finite series, the first type of series, that is where the number of terms is finite. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Another example, 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15. Now what is the standard form? The standard form of finite series is t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus so on plus tn, or a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus so on plus an. So where tn or an are called the last term, is called the last term of finite series. Now what is an infinite series? Infinite series is the series where the number of terms is infinite. Alright, examples, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. Second example, 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15, so on. So the general or standard form of an infinite series is t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus so on, or a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a5, so on. So dear students, these two are the introductory part of arithmetic progression, that is the sequence and series. So we have seen what is a sequence, what are its types, and what are the standard forms. We have seen series, what is the series, what are its two types, what are the examples, and at the same time we saw the standard or general forms of finite and infinite series. Now let us come to arithmetic progression. So what is an arithmetic progression? So arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between two consecutive terms is constant throughout, and that difference is said to be common difference, and it is denoted by D. Okay.